Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live brings you another 1 minute of motivation, and here is today's quote. One day or day one, you decide. Look, I know you have that idea of yours. I know you've got a plan. You know, that plan you want to do so much, but you just keep putting it on. So when are you going to start? How about today? Let's start today. Let's start fresh with day one of what this next big adventure is going to be. Forget the whole one day I'll do it, because let's face it, this is clearly not working out for you right now, is it? Draw a line in the sand, because today is the perfect day to start something truly incredible.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.